হেভি মজা পেয়েছি। Look at this, guys. They have so many trees, plants. This is lemon, guava. Nice, nice property. This is a mango tree. Hey guys, such a wonderful evening. This resort is really nice. The room interior is really nice. It's a premium room. Hey guys, it's 8:15 and we are going for dinner. Look at this. We are going for dinner and this property is really superb. This feels like we are really in Maldives, and the way we are going for the dinner in Sun Island Resort in Maldives also we used to go like that. This is the restaurant. Hey guys, we ordered chili fish, chicken tandoori, fish curry, pulao, Kerala rice, and burger. There is another item yet to come, so we are having our dinner here. So this is another item we have ordered. It's a kingfish in banana leaf. They have some local name, but I really forgot that name. Good morning from Kovalam. It's Poovar Island, Estuary, Sarovar, Portico, the resort. It's such an awesome resort after so many days. Look at this. The sky is clean. Such a pleasant morning. The sky is clean. Sun is shining and you can see the sea is so clear right now just because of this weather. Hey guys, we come for the breakfast now. Let's see what's the menu available for breakfast. Fruits, some desserts, yogurt, juice, salads, boiled egg, baked beans, porridge, boiled potato, pastry bath, cake slice, bagel, chocolate cake, muffin, Danish pastry, pickle, chola bhatura, paneer paratha, dosa, idiyappam, pancake, vegetable stew, vada, idli, and some chutneys. And I think live contrast is also available for egg and dosa. Oatmeal flakes, white bread, brown bread. Hey guys, this is our breakfast table. And this is the view from the breakfast table. Hey guys, we are going for Mangrove Tour. You can see the entire resort from here. These are the floating villas. This Poovar Island Resort floating villas. I think this is another resort. You can see on that side. The left side you are going, that's the starting of the mangrove of Poovar. The right side you can see that's the Club Mahindra Resort. छोटा ही होता है. That's the Kingfisher. चले जाओ এখানে. The weather is really good today and we are enjoying this ride. There's so many birds and we can see ये आलेप्पी में देखा है बहुत. हाउस बोट ये भी है छोटा छोटा. See the beauty, the nature is really good and we are just enjoying a lot. So this is really a good experience for us. This is the bridge you are seeing here. That's the front side of our resort. পাখি আছে, এটা খুব সুন্দর একটা জিনিস. we are enjoying our Mangrove Tour from Estuary, Sarovar, Portico.
Wow.
एक छोटा कनाल है,
हाँ,
हम जा रहे हैं। ये कनाल है, ये कनाल का नाम एबीएम कनाल।
ABM.
हाँ, ये केरला किंगी का नाम है।
Okay.
केरला पहले के किंगी का नाम। किंगी का नाम ऐसे है,
हाँ,
आनंदा, विक्टोरिया, मार्तांडा। ये 3 किंग पहले इधर से तमिलनाडु जाने का रास्ता है।
हाँ.
पहले इसका नाम
This canal is really small and so many. You can see a type of fruit on the tree. This looks mango, but but this is poisonous. देखो देखो. So we almost reached to our resort. This one ride is really old, 1,600 rupees. They are going to charge for this, and they will provide only the boat will be only for you, so you don't have to share this boat for anyone with anyone. And that's all. That we got a nice weather and so the view. This resort is really awesome. The view, the amenities, the hospitality, you just can't get over it. They have plenty of space, 18 acres property, and this is Estuary Sarovar Portico, 5-star property, and we just enjoyed a lot. You can see the swimming pool. They have 3 swimming pools. They have 5-bedroom villas for families, and that villa is having their private swimming pool, so that's awesome. Also the food, yesterday night we have including dinner, and they don't have buffet, but it's a la carte and you can order anything, and the food is really tasty. I mean, the entire Kerala, wherever we have had our lunch or dinner, this is the best Kerala food and they served. And hospitality is really good. The room is neat and clean, typical 5-star. And this is in Kovalam. This is the best resort at this moment, 5-star resort. They have cycling, they have Mangrove Tour. Let's talk about tariff. So per night it takes 9,271 rupees, and the Mangrove Tour, which is 1,600 rupees per hour. There are 2. I think one is 2,500 rupees, one is 1,600 rupees. 1,600 rupees is for 1 hour. So that is extra, you have to pay. Apart from this, the restaurant is really nice. I think this is one of the best resort I have ever visited. So thumbs up for that. And yep, so on Poovar, Kovalam, if you are coming here, I am definitely recommending this resort. At least you can stay here one night, and the vibe is really good. They have plenty of space and amenities, hospitality, reception. They are very helpful. Okay, so Also, I just wanted to tell you one more thing. This resort was affected by tsunami last time, and that was, I think, this portion, whatever they the thing they have told, you can see this, the front side, this portion was totally damaged. The restaurant was totally gone, so they rebuilt it in 2004, I think. But the main villa, that was not affected. Yeah, so I just wanted to share this. Also, this room, this is a premium room. There is a estuary view room. They have garden view room. Those are little less costly. You can take that room also. But I think this should be the best view for this resort. So stay tuned, guys. Give us subscribe our channel. Give us a thumbs up and enjoy our video.
मुझे नहीं चाहिए